ever reached the course feeling tired before the first swing, just because your golf bag made everything harder? Today, that changes. Welcome to my channel. I'm breaking down the best golf bags that upgrade comfort, storage, and style. Check the links in the description and pick the bag that transforms every round. The number 6 product on our list is Sunday Golf Bag. There's a special kind of freedom you feel when golf stops being about hauling gear and starts being about enjoying the walk, and that feeling hits immediately with this lightweight carry design. The moment you lift it, you sense the ease. No strain, no clutter, just a simple, balanced bag that lets you focus on the game rather than the load on your shoulders. For players who bounce between quick evening rounds, executive courses, or short-range sessions, this setup feels like a breath of fresh air compared to bulkier options I've reviewed that often slow you down before you even reach the first tee. The compact frame still holds 6 to 7 clubs comfortably, giving you the perfect mix of lightness and practicality. The velour-lined valuables pocket adds a touch of security and calm, something golfers appreciate when carrying essentials. The cooler pouch is a surprisingly emotional perk. On warm days, pulling out a chilled drink adds comfort and a sense of thoughtful design. While it doesn't match full-size bags in storage depth, it more than makes up for it with mobility, simplicity, and everyday usefulness. Seniors, beginners, and minimalists will especially love how effortless it feels. If you want a carry option that brings joy, efficiency, and a sense of ease to every round, this choice delivers an uplifting experience that fits beautifully into modern relaxed golf. At number 5 is KVV Golf Bag. There's a moment on the course when you realize your bag either supports your game or slows you down, and that's exactly why this thoughtfully engineered design instantly stands out. The dynamic dual strap system feels almost intuitive, adjusting naturally as you move, giving your shoulders a sense of relief that heavier, rigid bags never offer. The rotating disc adds a smooth, balanced feel, making every step across the fairway feel lighter and more controlled. Compared to the ultra-minimal model I reviewed earlier, this one brings the full-featured confidence golfers want without sacrificing comfort, hitting that sweet spot between durability and mobility. The 7-way dividers offer a clean, organized layout that protects your clubs from clattering together, something golfers appreciate more with each round. Storage is generous yet efficient, with waterproof pockets, roomy side compartments, and a chilled bottle sleeve that feels like a small luxury on warm afternoons. The lightweight polyester build still feels strong enough to handle rain, rough movement, and regular play, giving golfers peace of mind about longevity. The quick-release stand legs add stability across uneven terrain, keeping your gear secure and upright without fuss. While players seeking ultralight simplicity may prefer a smaller bag, anyone who values comfort, organization, and refined design will find this option a smart, confidence-boosting upgrade. And number 4 is Himal Golf Bag. Sometimes the biggest breakthrough in a golfer's journey isn't a new club. It's finally having a travel bag that removes stress instead of adding to it. That's the feeling this rugged, travel-ready design delivers the moment you grab the handle. The heavy-duty polyester exterior brings a sense of security that many lightweight course bags simply can't match, giving golfers real peace of mind when handing their gear off at airports or tossing it into a trunk. Compared to the sleek carry models I reviewed earlier, this one leans into protection and convenience, making it the smarter choice for players who travel often or need dependable durability. The multiple zippered compartments create an organized layout that keeps clubs, shoes, and accessories neatly separated, eliminating the frustration of digging through clutter during trips. The rolling wheels are a quiet luxury, transforming long airport walks or hotel-to-course treks into smooth, effortless movement. The thick padding around the club area adds another layer of relief, shielding your gear from impact and giving you confidence that everything will arrive exactly as it left. While it's bulkier than a standard carry bag, that's the trade-off for travel security and storage flexibility. For golfers who value protection, mobility, and a travel experience that feels smart and stress-free, this option stands out as a reliable, comfort-driven upgrade that makes every journey feel easier. The third one on our list is UNIHIMAL Golf Bag. There's a moment on the course when you realize organization isn't just a convenience, it's a competitive advantage. And that's exactly the feeling this thoughtfully structured design delivers the first time you lift it onto your cart. The 15-way segmentation brings an instant sense of calm, letting every club rest securely in its own space rather than clattering together like in cheaper models I've reviewed. That quiet order creates a surprising emotional lift, especially for golfers who love efficiency and easy access. The durable build feels reassuring in your hands, offering the kind of long-term reliability players need when investing in a full-featured bag. Compared to lightweight carry options, this one focuses on strength, storage, and course-ready stability, making it a perfect companion for golfers who ride or push rather than walk long distances. The rain cover is a small but meaningful touch, giving peace of mind when dark clouds roll in and you still want your clubs protected. Storage capacity is generous without feeling overwhelming, each pocket placed with intention, keeping apparel, shoes, and accessories neatly separated. The handles are comfortable and balanced, making loading and unloading from carts effortless. While walkers may prefer a lighter setup, golfers who value space, protection, and true course readiness will find this bag a confidence-boosting upgrade that turns every round into a more organized, more enjoyable experience. On number 2 is Titleist Golf Bag. There's a moment in every golfer's routine when the bag either elevates the experience or becomes the quiet frustration you try to ignore, and this design immediately proves it's built to make the game feel smoother, lighter, and far more enjoyable. The pushcart-friendly structure brings an instant sense of relief, gliding effortlessly without the twisting and shifting that cheaper models constantly struggle with. The expandable apparel pocket adds a surprising emotional comfort, finally having room for layers, gloves, and extras without cramming them into tight corners. Makes every round feel more organized. Compared to ultralight carry bags I've reviewed, this one leans into premium stability and thoughtful engineering, especially with the integrated strap tunnel that keeps everything secure on a cart. The new double strap brings a blend of balance and softness that actually feels tested for real-world comfort, making transitions from cart to walking holes smooth and intuitive. The durability feels trustworthy without being heavy, giving golfers that smart choice confidence mid-round. While minimalists might prefer something smaller, players who value premium feel structure and refined details will appreciate how this setup consistently supports their rhythm. If you're looking for a bag that eliminates small frustrations, boosts convenience, and adds a touch of luxury to every round, this option delivers a polished, confidence-building experience from tee to green. Now moving to the last one is Ask Echo Golf Bag. Some golf bags make the game feel heavier, but every once in a while you find one that genuinely makes the entire experience calmer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. That's the emotional shift this quiet top design delivers the moment you set your clubs into place. The silence is striking. No rattling, no clashing metal, just a smooth, organized setup that instantly brings peace of mind and lets you focus on your swing rather than the noise behind you. Compared to traditional dividers I've reviewed, this one feels engineered for golfers who love order and want their gear protected without compromise. The 14-way layout, oversized putter slot, and fixed club positions make checking for missing clubs effortless, which is a relief for players who tend to rush between holes. The extra storage is a game changer, offering far more room than standard bags, and the cooler compartment adds a refreshing sense of comfort on long rounds. Waterproof pockets, shoe storage, and thoughtful accessories like glove holders and tee slots make the bag feel complete and truly course-ready. The sturdy base keeps everything stable, solving the wobbling frustration common in lighter bags. While walkers may find it slightly bulkier than minimalist options, any golfer who values silence, space, and premium organization will feel this upgrade immediately. If you want a bag that brings calm, confidence, and smart design to every round, this option delivers in a deeply satisfying way. So guys, this was the video about the best golf bags. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.